Home Show has been able to give us a status of authority where people can trust us, people can believe in us, and people can understand what we do while they are visiting the home show. Technology is growing day by day, and people are using them because everyone has a phone, everyone has a Wi-Fi, everyone has a technology in the home. Directly or indirectly, they're using it. And if there is a zone, it is very good for overall industry. It will grow, educate, and increase awareness to the customer base for the new home or existing home in terms of renovation. People need education. People need to know what technologies out there in market. It's a great place to capture leads and work through them. We have generated between 200 and 270 leads each show. I think that's great for us. Very good experience. 5 star out of 5.